The S&B filter has been a really fun upgrade. It allows for a bit more sound coming off of that turbo, and when I have the windows down, you can hear that thing spool up nicely. It's super loud when my high idle is running in the morning, and it's really easy to service. You've got this clear window so you can see just how bad it is. That pops out without whacking yourself in the face. Like that. We'll give this a good clean. And then inside, you just have your one hose clamp, and that is an 8mm. Pop that guy loose. It is a big filter, and it's kind of crammed in here at an angle. So when you pop it out, you rotate it to get it out just right. Let's say it goes the other way, like this. Now we can get this thing cleaned up. And you know, depending on the environment that you live in, having a serviceable air filter is nice, because if you're off-road a whole bunch or towing or whatever the case may be, servicing it is as simple as cleaning it up, re-oiling, and dropping back in. They do have a dry filter as well. Not sponsored or anything like that. I just like when I can maintain my vehicles easier without having to replace, say, a filter. Plus, it sounds damn cool. Moving on to the actual cleaning, we're going to liberally soak the filter in filter cleaner. Then we're going to rinse it from the inside out as much as possible. I know that's not going to be 100% of how you rinse these down, but you really want to push the dirt from the inside to the outside. And yes, I'm doing this in my driveway and the rocks here, but I'm not rolling the filter around like a pig in the dirt. It's not going to get dirty, don't worry. You see here, I am pushing through both directions and trying to run that media down to the bottom. Then, depending on your circumstances and environment, you might have to pick out some bees or some wasps or maybe dragonflies, different types of bugs that wind up getting stuck in there. For me, driving through a lot of farmland, well, there's a ton of little flying bugs. So I like to pick those little guys out that didn't want to come out with the water. And then once I'm all set up there, I set the filter out to dry for, I don't know, usually quite a while. Then I'm going to give it a liberal coating in oil on the outside. I'm going to let that oil soak in, then wipe off any excess, make sure there aren't any drips. Reinstall just like we took it apart, and then you're set to go.